Mark Morris and Devin Bellman. Welcome to Elister Pro. Selling on eBay and specifically dropshipping is one of the most profitable and low-risk business models around that actually works. And it's simple. It's not hard to learn. The only problem is time. Now, if you're watching this video, then you're serious about growing your business and finding a better way to list on eBay. Now, it's no secret that eBay is a numbers game. The more listings you have up, the more potential sales you can make, which means the more profit you can generate. But nobody wants to spend hours and hours behind a computer pushing keyboard buttons creating eBay listings. But we do it because it works. But what happens when your selling limits increase to 500 listings, 1,000 listings, 2,000 listings or more? How long is it going to take you to list those items? Well, if you have an average listing time of 12 minutes, it would take you 100 hours to list 500 items. And if you spent 2.5 hours listing every day, it would take you 40 days straight. But what if listing only took 5 minutes? What about 3 minutes? Well, a 3-minute listing time would save you 30 full days for those same 500 listings. That literally saves you a month of pushing keyboard buttons. Now, how much would that time be worth to you? And until now, our only option to scale our eBay business was to hire outsourcing and give people our personal account information, which I personally never liked, and it's another expense. Or you can use a bulk lister that puts up mass quantity listings, but I wouldn't want to bury my account limits in low quality generic listings that are not optimized to sell. Or you can resort to using auto posters, scraping software, and other black hat tactics that are always short-lived that can ultimately get your account banned and shut down, which is the complete opposite of what you want for your business. So they're not really an option. Well, let me show you how we can create a high-quality, optimized eBay listing in as little as 90 seconds. Hey, this is Michael Reyes, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create an eBay listing in 90 seconds or less. And not only are we going to create a listing in 90 seconds or less, we're going to make it look a heck of a lot better than most of the listings I see out on eBay. So let's say we want to sell a doghouse. I did a quick search on eBay for doghouse, and here's what I came up with. So let me go ahead and click on some of our competition, and let's look at what their listings look like. So here's a fuzzy picture, and this listing is literally one line of text. This is a pretty decent picture, and this is actually a pretty decent listing. It's templatized, it's formatted, it looks good, but most people don't know how to code the CSS or the HTML to create a listing like this. And I guarantee you, well, I bet you they didn't do it in 90 seconds. So let me go ahead and go on to our next one. Here's an ugly picture, literally one line of text. And here's another picture with what looks like a copy and paste text. So it's kind of ugly, different font size, black and white. We're going to make ours look much better. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Here's a listing I found for a doghouse selling for $238.86. This same exact doghouse is selling on, oops, let me go ahead and, there we go, selling on Amazon for $149.23. So we're going to list this item, we're going to drop ship it, and to get this started, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Sell Now. This is just going to bring up a blank eBay template that is pre-categorized, so you don't have to pick your category. And we're going to get rid of this title because we're going to put in a keyword optimized title. So I'm going to go back to Amazon. Let me go ahead and pull up a stopwatch, and this is how we're going to list in 90 seconds or less. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this image here, and we're just going to take a quick snapshot of it. So I'm going to capture this image, and I'm going to give it a keyword like doghouse. Save it to my desktop. Then I'm going to copy the Amazon URL, and I'm going to go over to Elister Pro, and I'm going to paste that right in there. Click pull product information. This is going to pull all the information from Amazon. I'm going to type in my keywords, doghouse, let's do pet shelter and outdoor. I'm going to optimize this title, so let me go ahead and do brand new doghouse outdoor pet shelter. You can type in whatever keywords you want. You can change the description. Here are the bullet points that came in the listing. And I'm going to pick a different template just so it doesn't look ugly. And I'm going to remove the YouTube video because I don't have a YouTube video to list. Here's my title. My price is $186.30. We're going to go back over here, paste that. Let me add an image from my desktop. There we go. And let that load up here. And we are almost done. We're just past a minute here. So I'm going to click on Finish. I'm going to go down here, click on HTML, go back to Elister Pro, copy this code, come back to my listing, and voila, my listing is literally done. Scroll down here, 186.30. Scroll to the bottom, give them my return policy, click continue, and just under 90 seconds we are finished. Now eBay's going a little slow here. What you can do if you want to preview this, all you have to do is click list your item and your listing is up. You can preview this listing here, so let me expand it so you can see what it looks like. There we go. Much more attractive than many of the other listings I have out there, or I see out there. Here's your related search terms. So you have keyword optimized listings, you have your terms of sale, just much more professional than what many people have out there. And that is it. So if I click list my item, this will be listed to eBay. Now, obviously, you can take your time, you can keyword optimize it. And even if I took more time than what I did in this quick demonstration, I would be surprised if it took me about 3 minutes to create this listing, fully optimized, taking my time. Everyone's different, so you can take as long as you want or as little as you want, but this is just to demonstrate the speed that Elister Pro provides. It just saves a ton of time when it comes to listing on eBay, and that's exactly how it works and how we can get a listing in 90 seconds or less. Now, before we go into everything that you'll have access to as an Elister Pro member, many people watching this video will already know whether or not Elister Pro can add value to their business. See, Elister Pro was developed as a tool to solve the problems that we were experiencing in our own business. It was an answer to the problems that many eBay sellers face, such as having limited income because you don't have enough listings up, getting discouraged because you don't have the time to list on eBay, having no sales optimization in your listings, having low quality bland listings, and the list goes on and on. And we've been there and we know the challenges. So we created a suite of options that are simple to use, such as product sourcing integration to automatically pull your product information for you, a custom listing designer that allows you to custom create the design of your listing to catch your customers' interest and set you apart from your competition without having to know any of the coding. Easy one-click YouTube video integration. There's optional one-click terms and conditions that you can add for every listing you create. An automatic price calculator that tells you how much we think you should sell your item for based on the profit you want to make. There's one-click listing protection available that can stop people from copying your eBay listings. Elister Pro's automatic product history. Now this allows you to quickly edit, delete, or even order your products when your items sell without you having to search for any product IDs or enter in any item numbers. And there's several other enhancements that we are adding to Elister Pro in addition to our Facebook community that's full of motivated entrepreneurs and successful eBay sellers who are helping each other 24 hours a day. And you can have instant access to Elister Pro and get a lifetime discounted rate of only $19.99 when you become a member today. Simply click the button below to get instant access to Elister Pro and our discounted monthly membership price for life, regardless of how many more features we add or how much our membership price increases. Just click the button below to become a member of our community today, and we'll see you on the inside.